Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening FC25 and signing into the account that holds your progress. Once done, go straight to Ultimate Team or Career Mode, depending on where you expect Palmeiras. These are the two places the club can appear. Make sure roster updates and the latest game patch are installed, because outdated rosters hide recent transfers. Now move to the Squad Management or Transfer Search screen to begin the active locating process. Don't waste time on menus you won't use. You'll now use filters to pinpoint Palmeiras quickly. Type the club name or select Brazil as the nation. Once filtered, narrow by league, Brasileirão or Copa Libertadores, because the club can be listed under either competition. Make sure to check both marketplace listings and your club's unassigned player pool. Players sent to transfer can appear in either place. If you're in career mode, scan the club list directly. Persistent filtering reduces noise and places Palmeiras at the top of your results. Once you spot Palmeiras, either add a player to your active squad or open the club information to confirm it's the correct team. That seals the find. If Palmeiras doesn't appear, refresh roster updates, restart FC25, and verify your platform region or filter settings. These fixes resolve most visibility issues. Finally, save any squad changes and run a quick match or open the squad screen to confirm everything loaded properly. If problems persist, repeat the refresh steps before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.